fridge is here. They just finished putting everything together and plugging it up. This is the Samsung Family Hub smart fridge with a smart display on the front. That was my little note to Corey since he was at work when it got delivered. But yes, as you can see, double door fridge on the top. There's also a water dispenser and ice dispenser on the outside on the door. Ample amount of shelving. The shelves on the door are adjustable, as well as the second shelf in the inside of the fridge. You can adjust that. And then there's the freezer on the bottom, which I absolutely love as well, because with the freezers that were on the top, things would fall out all the time and hit my toe, and oh my gosh, I hated it. Okay, so now we're about to get into me measuring these cabinets so that I can line the shelves before we put our dishes and things in there. So I went to our local Target and got this contact grip XL shelf liner in the color black. So I'm just taking the wrapper off so I can roll it out. And now I'm about to measure this cabinet and get started. So let's get into it. So once I finish measuring, I go to the shelf liner and line it up. Then I'm going to use these scissors to just cut along where I measured. And y'all, I'm a perfectionist, so you're going to see a lot of back and forth with me cutting. But hey, I like to get it pretty close to perfect. Like I said, I am somewhat of a perfectionist, so I just lined it up in the cabinet to make sure it fits the shelf the way I like, and I'm just adjusting accordingly, and then I'm gonna measure it again. So now I'm going to go ahead and open up another pack, and after I finish measuring the first shelf, I use that piece to line up for the other shelves that are in that cabinet, just so I don't have to keep going back and forth with measuring. also like to line underneath the cabinets, especially the sink, with this contact under sink mat that's waterproof and it helps prevent scratches and watermarks. Okay, so now we're going to get into the seasonings drawer. I forgot to record the box with the name and everything, but I will link that down in the description below. So yeah, I'm just pouring the seasoning into the jar. And I just want to make sure that I get every little bit out. This one was kind of tough. I didn't have a funnel at the time. It was packed away somewhere, but your girl made it do what it do, okay? So yeah, this is just me struggling to get it all out. So once I'm finished getting it all out, I just put the top on it, screw on the top over that, and then I'm going to add the label so that we know what it is. Okay, so now that I'm done, I am going to place them in the drawer and line them up alphabetically in these shelves. Okay, all done. Like I said, everything will be linked in the description below. So now we're moving on to our silverware, and this is an expandable holder. So much space, super excited for this, just to be organized and have a clean look for our silverware. So in no particular order or anything, I just kind of start placing them in there. We have both silver and gold silverware, so I placed one on one side and the other on the other side. Now we're gonna move on to our cooking utensils. As you can see, this is similar to the silverware one, but just a little bit bigger since utensils are a lot bigger, and this is also expandable. So here's the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this mini kitchen update vlog. If you did, be sure to hit that like button. And if you guys would like to see more videos like this, make sure you leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.